Okay, Monday, August 16, we got the weekly close. So taking out these lines, we got a strong weekly close, but still below resistance, this resistance, this resistance, and this resistance. So my target, it's here, there, there, and there for a lower high compare with this top. Any closes above here, we can have a breakout trade. Until there, this is the areas to take profits. Okay, and we are now trying to find a higher low on the weekly, which can be here on the 21 and the 12. The 20 is starting to get flat, but remember the bull market will start when the 21 and the 12 will be above the 20. Then all the moving average will be in line for a bull market like here. So this is a patience game. If you didn't buy the bottoms and the retests on the daily, you can wait for a weekly higher low. Okay? So for now, I think we will start to reject soon. We still might come here to test this area. I don't know if we touch it already, but so we might have some volatility and some liquidations this week. On the weekly, as long as we maintain this area, or this area, it's still a higher low. We have the 12 here. All these areas are still to accumulate with the stop loss below here, and you can accumulate, but remember you already missed the move. When we come down, maybe we come down stronger. So just be prepared for everything, and we also don't know if we can keep on going higher with short squeezes. So nobody knows, so buy the dip on the moving averages and on the supports, which will be here, here, and yeah, and the moving averages here and there. This one was already tested, this one was not, this one was not. So we can have some volatility, but for now everything is green, getting into the areas that the bears will attack. And we are reaching my trend line from 2017. I also have the lower high here waiting, which is also this line here waiting for the 56, 57 areas. But this one should act as a strong resistance, and I'll see if I'll short it or not. At least for a scalp, we still didn't touch it. I think we will go there. If I see rejections from here, I will short it and try to see if I can just close it, or at least close all my position on this trend line. And we have I have to adjust now the 20 and the 21 and the 12. They are not online here. I need to push them up. This one should be in the same area, should be here. Remember, this is a strong trend line for a buy and with a easy stop loss. We came here, I'm taking this one out, but we didn't touch it with this candle. So it's aligned here with the 21, so we can go here, be ranging here, who knows, any closes above there we can go higher, but if we reject from here, we might come to retest this one for a strong bounce or a fake out, nobody knows. Okay, so don't FOMO. This one was a easy buy on the 200 on spot, as we can see, very easy, but the bears are starting to attack, the bull volume is decreasing, so we can still go a little bit up, but we should come down to test support sooner or later. Won't take long. For me, this is an area for a trade, but I will need to wait for some rejections and very easy stop loss above. All the markets should be bullish, everyone bullish, so and we are already oversold. We can still go a bit higher on the daily. This is my first area, as I said. And then we have the moving average here, the trend line. We didn't touch it here. And now we have all these areas for a bounce. It's a matter of time. Okay, my position on EOS, I already closed. I went into my targets and I closed everything on EOS here. I closed here on the 200 basically. I missed this little bit, but now it doesn't matter. I can do another trade if we come down to test some supports, or if I see many candles closing above this trend line from here, and if Bitcoin is still a little bit bullish, I might do a trade, but should be, I don't believe we go there, but I can do it, but I think I close this one and I will focus on another ones. This is not my priority now, EOS. I already got it from here until there, and I'm fine, and we'll wait for it to come down sooner or later to test some supports when we are overbought, sorry, or oversold to buy. Yeah. And yeah, so that's it. So back to Bitcoin. So remember, we are getting into resistance daily. I see this area. Where are we? We still didn't touch also this area, and we also have this area. So let's see. This is a trend line that I have from 2017, one of them, and this is the other one I created. Let's see what Bitcoin does. We also didn't test this support here. And yeah, okay, simple, don't complicate. As long as we maintain this, especially here, it's still fine, but will be good that we don't go below the moving averages. That will be a red flag if we start going. Of course, we can have a short squeeze and a bear trap, then we go above. If we go above and bulls show strength, should be more bullish. If we go down but we don't pass, and then we just consolidate here, we might come down. Who knows? So it's very easy risk management, this area, and the moving average with this wick here and this area. The candles close, basically. This is the weekly. The monthly, it's here, basically. This candle close, and this one, we already tested it, so we might come to test this area again. The 41, if we lose this, starts to be tricky, and we remember we have the 21 already aligned with this one, and we have the 20 below, and we can have big moves sooner, sometime soon, nobody knows. Target now on the monthly, because we are already above this one. Although we didn't close the month, it's still middle of the month, it will be here, 57K. Stop loss, risk management on the monthly for swing trades was here. It's on the 34, around 34, 35, or here on the 33.7, below it. Okay,